Check it out, folks. Listen, if you like pho, then I got the video for you. Hey, look, I'm gonna go ahead and address the elephant in the room. This is my boy right here, CJ from Cooking with CJ, and he's on his way to what, 100,000?
100,000.
Hey, you
Let's
close
go.
though, bro.
Yeah,
Hey,
close.
you don't need much. Hey, but anyway, listen, I got it. When you see myself, I'll just say that, and then you see him. Listen, he finna show me, and this right here, this Ninja Foodie, and how to make pho. Instead of it taking us a whole day to make it, we finna make it in about an hour.
If that.
Oh, if that.
If that.
Let's get it. Okay, so look, what I'm gonna do right now is just pan over the ingredients. You guys know, as always, the full ingredient list with the measurements will be down in the description box below. As you can see, we got a whole lotta. We got a cast iron, and then we got more of a lotta. Hey, but don't trip, you guys, you know what I mean? Hey, look, I got the expert here, and I can't believe that we finna make this. I keep saying an hour, and he say not even that long.
It's gonna be less than an hour.
All right, so look, we about to get started. Hey, so look, I'm gonna go ahead and just start bringing this pan, get some heat under here.
Bring some
right?
heat, baby.
There we go.
All right, so listen, a regular pho broth takes all day long. And like he said, you're boiling, you're skimming, you're boiling, you're skimming, all the good stuff. We're cutting out all that. We're making this fast and easy for you guys. We got some kettle and fire bone broth over here. And like we already went through the ingredients, but this is key. We're gonna char up some onions and some ginger right quick in this cast iron, and then we're gonna start building that pho broth in our Ninja Foodie, and we'll be making this stuff in no time.
Hey, so look, you know, obviously we're using a cast iron, so I want you guys to see it. You see it, when somebody say it's smoking hot, now you know where that term comes from.
Smoke it, baby,
Smoking hot. So look, we're just gonna go ahead and add these, correct?
Yes, sir. And you want that good char. All right, guys, make sure it's char all over. Get that ginger in there too.
Ginger?
Yes, sir. And you guys can peel it if you want, but there's no point.
Now that these are ready,
Yes, sir.
you know what I mean? Hey, that's a whole lot of flavor right there, bro.
I'm telling you, man.
So go ahead and do your thing.
Let's put it in there. We're getting it into the foodie. Gonna put all our veggies in there. Okay. Careful, this pan is hot. Screaming hot.
That's an understatement.
Yes, sir. All right, bro, we're ready to get going. This is where we make the magic happen. We're gonna make that bone broth right now. We're using bone broth, beef bone broth. Make sure that's what you guys are using. All right? It's a big deal.
So look, what we do is we'll add all of those in there, and then we move on to the next step, right?
Yeah.
So this part really right here is like a dump and go.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean? So once you get all of that in there, Hit this, release the steam, as you can see.
You
You
stay
see the way
away.
you see the way he acting right here? Look, you gotta release that, right? Hey, and how many of y'all, let me know down in the comment section below, remember that old school crock pot with the little thing on the top? You remember that? Hey, talk to me.
Yeah.
What did I say, crock pot?
You say crock pot.
Hey, pressure cooker. Yeah, pressure cooker. All right, so look, go ahead, open it up.
We ready?
Obviously, look.
We're good. We're safe.
We're
It's
good.
safe. Be careful out there. All right, we're gonna move this over, unlock it, lift it up. And now you can come see the goodness in there. So what we're gonna do is fish all this out, and you'll see how clean of a broth we've made. So we got a nice bowl right here. All right, so now we got a nice clean broth, perfect for the pho.
Look, we didn't have to skim nothing off the top,
No,
nothing.
good to go.
Okay, so look, if you guys come in here and take a look, we had to get a thumbnail. So listen, this is what we come up with right here. You know what I mean? So we have one there. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and build one. Right. You know, after watching him do his, I'm gonna do it this way. So look, we're just gonna go ahead and start adding our shrimp.
Yes, sir. While you're doing that, let's just talk about the flavors and the smells that we produced in here. Nice clean broth, right?
Right.
Look how gorgeous that is. It's gonna blow your mind when you start tearing into this bad boy.
Man, I believe you, bro.
Oh, dude.
Hey, you know what? I gotta give a shout out to Mike Henry. Hey, listen, he'll be proud of me because I'm eating this right here. You know what I
Big
mean?
Mike.
Well, you know what? Not that I'm eating it, because look, he exposed it to me. You know what I mean? But just the fact that we making this, though, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Hey, so Big Mike, this for you, bro.
I love me some Big Mike.
Yeah, that's right.
All right.
Okay, so look,
Let's get some
now we
broth.
got it in like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the broth.
Pour it right over.
Okay.
And we got 2 ladlefuls.
All right.
Look at it, so clean.
Man, I just like the fact that
flavorful.
making it this way, you don't have to skim nothing off the top. You know what I mean?
You don't have to mess around with it, man.
You don't have to mess around.
We always say taking the guesswork out of everything. We just did that.
Yeah, that's right.
All right,
So now look,
Look, this is the way I build mine. You
Okay.
can build yours if you want. Little raw onion, little bean sprouts, couple chilies here, little jalapenos.
okay.
Tear off some basil, give it a little squeeze of lime.
Hey, look, if it ain't broken,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Let's go ahead and just put
And you can make it all pretty right now, but we're gonna tear it up.
I
All
got
right,
you.
so just be ready for it.
I got you.
So with those shrimp, we poached them already.
Right.
They've been sitting for a hot minute, so we're reheating them up with that broth.
All right.
Now, this is where we're gonna get a little funky with it. All right, we're gonna have some fun with this.
All right.
All right, we have a little soy sauce.
Okay.
We like the heat, right? Little sriracha.
Hey,
Little bit more
notice
sweet.
I said okay. You said soy sauce. I said okay. You said we like a little heat. I didn't say nothing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I didn't say anything.
There you go.
All right.
You put a drop or 2 in there.
Okay.
All right, so let's start building it. We're just gonna take a couple dashes of the soy sauce in there.
All right.
Just
Now
a little.
that I can do.
You can get down with
Yeah,
that.
go
I
ahead.
got you, man.
Oh yeah.
You've
There
been
we
working
go.
hard all
There
day.
we go. There we go.
I got you.
Let me go ahead and get myself a napkin and get you one.
All right. Little hoisin, just to add a little bit of sweet in there.
All right.
Whoa. All right. And now,
Hey,
you ain't ready for the heat.
Okay. Yeah. Let me do that.
Oh, I'll let you do that.
You know.
All right. So we get a little. It helps if you open it.
Yeah,
All right.
there
All
you
right.
go.
Cool. Little sriracha in there. All right. You do your thing.
So look. Bloop, bloop. All right.
All right. Now we got everything in there.
Right.
Now it's time to mess it up.
So I see you got both of your chopsticks. I'm
yeah.
just gonna try to stir it up like this.
I like to.
Okay. Well, no, I see why you're doing that.
Yeah, you're
Okay.
spreading out the noodles a little
So, I
bit, getting
got
them, getting those flavors all together. So we're gonna get a little noodles, get a little broth, right? There we go.
All right. There we go. Get a little broth.
Little broth, little noodles, right?
Noodle.
And we're giving it the biggest. And remember to slurp. You gotta slurp your noodles.
My man card just won't let me really get down like that. I can see why this is like a fan favorite.
Yes, sir.
You know what? I'm gonna say this. I saw what you did to yours or whatever. I'm not saying the sriracha made it hot because mine got a little spice to it too. But once I took a break for a minute and I was actually getting ready to add some more shrimp inside,
Right.
and then I went to go get me some water, right? Now I need that water. You know what? I don't know what it is. It's
The
like-
chilies, the jalapenos.
But it's so smooth though.
It's-
You know what I mean? When
it's
you're
nice.
eating it, you feel right. I can tell you right now, it's hot underneath my brim. You know, of my hat.
Nose is a little clear.
Yes, that it is. Hey, so look, super easy. You're talking about having a cheat code to making, to like cutting and simplifying the recipe and cutting your time down, prepping something. This right here is it. Hey, I do believe that's the second. Actually, this is the second time I've said that on film.
yeah.
You know what I mean? I believe you cut meteor down, and now you done cut pho down.
Fuck.
You know what I mean?
Don't
Hey,
forget
so
it.
That's what's up, bro. Hey, so you guys check out, CJ. I'm gonna go ahead and let him do his spiel, but listen, I can tell you this right now, he's on this road to 100,000. I know that is a major, major feat. Most of us don't really make it there. You are so close, though, bro.
I'm so close.
You know what I mean? So check him out. You guys can see all of the information down here, somewhere here. I guess once I put it somewhere, it should be somewhere down here. But go and do your thing, and I just want to say thanks, bro. Hey, it's always a pleasure, man.
Yo, I love you, man.
That's right.
Appreciate you. All right, so y'all, I'm cooking with CJ here on YouTube. That's, like he said, a road to 100,000. Help me get there. It don't cost you anything else. He's cool enough. That spicy pho going down. Make it happen. Help a brother out.
Hey, that's right. That's
Make
right.
it happen, guys. All right, love y'all.
We out.
Peace.
Peace.
I got him.